Namaste. My name is JVN Manisha Singh, Assistant Professor in Department of Food and Biotechnology in under Faculty of Agriculture and Veterinary Sciences in Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University, Jaipur. In today's session, I am teaching you subject fruits and vegetable processing technology for class BSc FND fourth semester, BTech MTech FPT fourth semester. In our previous session, we will discuss all about the active packaging of fruits and vegetables. In today's session, we will discuss about the waste management of fruits and vegetable industries. Okay, so first of all, tell me about the what is waste. So waste is food processing waste are those end products of various food processing industries that have not been recycled or used for the other purposes. They are the non-product flows of raw materials whose economic values are less than the cost of collection and recovery for reuse and therefore discarded as the waste. And these wastes could not be considered valuable by the products if there were appropriate technical means and if the value of the subsequent products were to exceed the cost of reprocessing. Okay, then the impacts of waste if not managed wisely. It will affect our health, it will affect our socio-economic conditions, also affects our coastal and marine environment and our climate. Okay, so classification of waste according to their property, waste is of two types, biodegradable and non-biodegradable. Biodegradable waste can be degraded, for example, paper, wood, fruits and others. And non-biodegradable wastes cannot be degraded, for example, plastics, bottles, old machines, cans, styrofoam, containers and other. Okay, and the drawbacks of improper agro waste management is the field filling, mosquito generated diseases and global warming. And environmental pollution in craft villages is solid waste in the lacquer village, solid waste in the paper recycling village. That is a loss of cultivation capacity. Okay, so the proper definition of waste management is the collection of all thrown away materials in order to recycle them and as a result decrease their effects on our health and our surroundings and the environment and enhance the quality of the life. Okay, so that is the waste management, and management is done by minimization, reuse, and recycle, energy capture and disposal of the material. Then management of different byproducts. During the canning of fruits and vegetables or the preparation of juices, squashes, jam, jelly, dried product, etc., large quantity of waste material are left over and these have to be utilized for the manufacture of the byproduct in order to reduce the cost of the production of the main product. The waste can be successfully utilized by setting up a byproduct industry is should be fairly costly venture and its success depends upon the readily availability of large quantity of the waste material in the neighborhood. Okay, so industry should use by the byproduct of an industry as raw material in their production. Okay, so apple byproducts are pomace. Pomace left after extraction of apple juice can be dried and utilized for the preparation of pectin and apple rich source of sugar and pectin used for blending. And apple chutney is also similar to the mango chutney. Next is the apricot. Apricot used as a confectionery like almond and kernel edible oil, macaron paste, and it is rich in protein. So used as a cattle feed as well and cosmetics, pharmaceuticals preparation. Then next is the grapes and their stem is used for the making cream of tartar. Seeds separate and pressed to extract oil and oil cake. Tartaric acid recover by crystallization. Tannin extract can be extracted from the hulls of the decorticated grape seeds. Grape jelly, grape chutney, and grape can used in commercial pectin production. Okay, so next food product is guava. The core, seeds, and peels are utilized for the preparation of guava cheese, and guava is rich in pectin, so used as a commercial production of pectin from peel. Next fruit product is jackfruit. The waste material is thick rind with the inner paragons and good raw material for high class jelly because it is highly rich in pectin. And seeds are starchy, so used for flour making as well. And jackfruit leather, also same as the mango leather. Okay, so it is the product prepared from the waste of the jackfruit is jackfruit flour, jackfruit seed powder, and jackfruit leather. Next is the banana. The banana peel used as a banana cheese, similar like the guava cheese. Pseudo stems, raw material for preparation of paper, pulp, and also fiber used in the cloth. Next product is the papaya. The papain production from green papaya used in leather and pharmaceutical industry. Preparation of pectin from bark. Next is the mango. Mango peel used for molasses for cattle and fermentation into the alcohol. Dried stone kernel. Flour making is 5.56% protein, 16.1% of fat, 0.35% of minerals, and 69.2% carbohydrate. And that is good manure for the plant. Kernel oil, which is used for soap and oil industry. Okay. So next is pineapple. Pineapple juice from waste part fermented into the alcohol and used in automobile, and core used as a candy, also recovered juice, and also for preparation of jam with high quality of pectin. Pressed cake used as a animal feed, and vinegar also prepared from the pineapple. Next fruit is the passion fruit, that is thick, hard rind, rich in pectin, and used in seeds are used in oil preparation. Next fruit is peach. Peach peri preparation, then used for vinegar production. Okay, and vinegar from the peach available in the market. Okay, then the kiwi fruit. Total dietary fiber content of the kiwi fruit pomace amounts to approximately 25% on a dry weight basis. Okay, next fruit is citrus. Byproducts are the peel, rags, and seeds. Essential oil for cosmetics, industry, perfumery, and confectionery. Peel oil of high quality used flavoring material in juice and beverages. And de-oiled peel, that is citrus pectin, rag, cattle feed, and citrus seeds includes the oil 0.54% limonene used in the mosquito repellent, and citric acid also prepared from citrus by fermentation. Okay, so sugarcane is a source of green energy by which sugar juice is used for manufacturing of sugar as well as ethanol, and bagasse is also used for the preparation of ethanol. Leaves and tops are basically used for bagasse, and that is a cogeneration used for cogeneration of electricity. Okay, ethanol is also produced from the molasses and juice. Okay, and then we have pulp and paper production by the sugarcane, and biofertilizers are also made by the waste management of fruits and vegetables. And biogas cycle is also related to the fruits and vegetable waste because it is a biodegradable waste. And the fiber extraction from the pineapple leaves that is also used. So that is enough for the waste management of fruits and vegetables. In your exams, the question may be asked like, explain the waste production management of fruits and vegetable, and what is the need of management of waste for fruits and vegetable. Likewise, question will be asked in your final exam, prepared accordingly. I hope this session is clear to all. Thank you so much for watching this video.